We have here is the Audi RSQ8. And man, does it look marvelous. The lines from the front headlights. And Audi has some of the best technology when it comes to headlights. The wheels, the grille, perfectly says the Audi RSQ8. Yes, this is a performance SUV. It also comes in two different guises. But before we get back into the depth of this Audi RSQ8, let's talk about it a little bit. This thing, it looks fantastic. It looks awesome. The size, the backlights, and how they light up, and the lighting signature of the rear lights is just tantamount. Listen to that sound. The sound of an internal combustion engine is just epic, folks. This is what makes Audi, folks. And this makes it look also fantastic. I can just be quiet and just listen to this sound and see, and it's just listen to how marvelous it is. But let's get into some depth here. The Audi Q8 model range is not only with the RSQ8, it's an output of 600 PS, adding a new second version, which is gonna be something also marvelous, folks. The RSQ8 performance. There's a recently upgraded Q8 that this adds up to it. Again, it's that sound, folks. That sound is just marvelous. The new RSQ8 is guaranteed to impress with 800 nanometers of torque. And that's between 2200 and 4500 RPMs. The output of the twin turbocharged 8-cylinder engine is going to make for an outstanding driving experience. Just listen to that. This is something marvelous. The sportiness and elegance of the Audi Q8 and having the RSQ8 driving dynamics, maximum driving fun, folks. This is definitely sporty, agility and stability in every situation. The balance of sportiness and comfort in the RSQ8 is something that's nice with the standard adaptive air suspension with controlled damping, which has been tuned for the RS, and a ride height at 90 millimeters. This is something special, folks. Both axles are connected by a compact electric motor between the two halves of the stabilizers. Now, when the RSQ8 is driven straight, the two halves are disconnected, which reduces the body movement on uneven roads. Now, when the car corners, the electric motors turn the stabilizers in the opposite directions. You always wonder to yourself, can a big SUV handle like a car? Well, the answer to that is no. But Audi sure comes damn close, folks, with this new system. It has a 48-volt lithium-ion battery which supplies the EAWS with power, a compact, lightweight energy storage unit which can absorb and release high currents in a very short time. This is what makes Audi Audi. But what is Audi really about, folks? I never really was one for the Audi design in the past. I always thought it was sort of antiquated next to BMWs. But here we have something special. But then we have technology, which is something even to another level. When you think about it, you got competition such as the Tesla Model X, which can give better numbers than this. So Audi's going to have to make a lot of noise, folks. I'm telling you. For me, it would be the Model X instead. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have an awesome and terrific day. And thanks for watching. This is something awesome.